Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to send a PayPal payment request. It's a super easy way to get money from friends or family. To begin, simply log into your PayPal account, either through the mobile app or on the website. Once you are logged in, look for the Send and Request option, then select Request. This is your starting point for asking for money quickly and efficiently from anyone you know. Next, you will need to tell PayPal who you are requesting money from. You can enter their name, email address, or even their mobile phone number. After that, clearly specify the exact amount of money you wish to receive. It's also important to select the correct currency for your request, ensuring everything is accurate. You can even send a single request to several people if you are splitting a cost. Before you send your request, take a moment to add a personal note or description. This helps the recipient understand why you are asking for money, like for dinner or a shared gift. It is crucial to review all the details on the screen, double-checking the amount and confirming the recipient's information is absolutely correct. This quick check ensures your request is clear and accurate, avoiding any potential confusion. Once you send the request, the recipient will receive an email or message containing a secure payment link. They can then easily pay you using their existing PayPal balance or a linked bank account. The great news is that funds typically appear in your PayPal account within just a few minutes after they pay. You will also receive a notification confirming that your payment request has been successfully completed and the money is in your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.